Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my smoked honey and soy chicken legs. These are amazing. Right, first thing I've got is I've got a fire lighter sitting in my little pan. I'm going to add a little bit of fire lighters into the bottom, 3. So I like to use these natural fire lighters. I'm going to start putting in some of my charcoal briquettes straight in over the top, just like that. I'm going to light that central flame in that little pan, just like that, and I'm going to add my chimney straight on top. Right, that's starting to go. I'm just going to walk away and get on with the rest of what we need to do. Okay, so the charcoal's already fired up. I'm going to put that straight into the firebox. In the meantime, here I've got about 1/3 of a cup's worth of honey into a little saucepan. That goes in just like that, and I'm going to add in about 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce, and of course I'm using a really good quality one at that. That can go straight into our saucepan. Right, everything is cold at the moment. All I'm going to do is put that on around about 20% of heat, let everything blend and melt together just like that, and I'm going to put that aside and let it come back down to room temperature for a little bit later on. Alright, and that is all it is, just honey and soy. Don't need to add anything. Right, I've got my chicken legs, chicken drumsticks if you want to call it that, and I've given that a little dose of spray oil, and all I'm going to do here is put a little bit of Old Bay seasoning over the top. It's a really nice mild seasoning. It's not going to overpower the chicken, not going to overpower the smoke, and definitely not going to overpower our little sauce or glaze that we have. Alright, so I've got my firebox all going. I've pushed everything up towards the cooking chamber, and I'm going to add in some red gum charcoal, thanks to my father-in-law. So red gum charcoal on top of those, they can just go straight on top like that. They'll ignite and they'll be really hot. They won't burn very long, but they will burn at an incredible temperature. Got close our firebox down. I've got another little thing happening there on the left hand side, a little bit of spray oil over the top of our little grill there, and here are our beautiful chicken legs or our chicken drumsticks. Right, all I'm going to do now is simply put those down into our smoker, just like I'm doing right there. Really nice and simple, and I'm trying to put them sort of the thicker end first, and I'll put the fatter ones in the center and the smaller ones towards the firebox. I'm going to add in a nice little chunk of applewood. That's going to give us a beautiful smoke. As you can see, that smoke's coming off right now. Now my second little recipe that I'm doing, I'm going to remove that. That is done, and I've got around about 20 minutes to go ish, and I'm going to put in some potatoes. Now those drumsticks, they're going to take around about 1:20, maybe an hour and a half to cook through. Normally if I put those in the oven at 180, it would take us around about 40 minutes. We're going to cook these at around about 145 to 150 degrees Celsius in the smoker, and they're going to take around about that sort of hour and a half, 1:20-ish. They should look something like that. I have probed those and they are 74 degrees Celsius on the inside. Okay, absolutely perfect. So we're going to remove those. They can come out. I'm going to leave the potatoes in there for a little bit and let those smoke away. Okay, really nice and simple. Right, so they're cooked, they're done. We're just going to cover that with a little bit of aluminium foil, just like that. I'm going to put those in the oven 100 degrees just to keep them nice and warm. Now I am going to have to finish those potatoes off, so 100 degrees, we can keep those going. Potatoes, they've had their sort of little 5 minutes of fame, or the 20 25 minutes of fame. Look at the way the colour has changed on those potatoes. I'm going to take those off just like that, and I'm going to finish these in the oven. Mrs. KP is going to give those a quick wrap with a bit of aluminium foil, just like that. And all I'm simply going to do now, I've taken my chicken legs out and let them sit in a nice safe place. We're going to put these in about 180 degrees for around about 40 minutes. The chicken will still be nice and warm. We're going to put those in right at the last minute to bring them back up to heat. How good do these chicken legs look? Absolutely beautiful, and the flavour unlike anything else. And if you've got leftovers, makes a great sandwich as well. So Mrs. KP is undoing our little potatoes. The chicken legs down, a little bit more of that beautiful seasoning that we made, that little bit of honey soy sauce over the top, a little bit of lettuce there, just like that. How good does that look? There's only one thing left to do, and that's get our potatoes dressed up. So all I'm going to do now is smash those down. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in a little bit of cottage cheese over the top of my potatoes. That just works out really, really nice. Anyway, I'll obviously try and make this one at home. If you don't have a smoker, you can actually do this on the Weber or a normal barbecue. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, I want you to share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We are trying to get known to KP's Kingdom out there. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to, some way I'm learning is how to use the smoker and cook using the smoker. Well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my smoked honey soy chicken legs, and I will catch you next time. Bye.